Hi, my name is Lisa Gothard, and I am a second grade aide at Sorters Mill Elementary, and I am currently enrolled in the class Methods of Math and Science. I want to share today with you our project that we've been working on. It's called What's the Matter? This is my notebook on it. I made it in a file folder so I can slip it in my file drawer without any problems and keep it for when I am a full-time teacher. I want to share a little bit with you today about this project. First of all, week one, we went into creating a bulletin board on that, and I'm going to slide my photo around like this, and you can see I know what's the matter bulletin board. Now, in this bulletin board, you will see that it is broken down into the classifications of matter of solid, liquid, and gas here on the bottom, with a picture that describes each one of those. At the top, we have matter, solution, mixture, reversible, and irreversible, with yarn strings that connects each one of those to their definitions respectively. Now, in in kindergarten and first grade, the students are introduced to matter as a concept and what matter is, but they are not learning the different types of matter. And so in second grade, they will touch on that and learn exactly what matter is in second grade in the three states of matter, being solids, liquids, and gases. And that is covered under the science TEK of 2.5A and B. Now, in this, we will introduce it and get kids going and thinking, brainstorming about what is matter, and matter is everything. It's all around us. So they will be just naming off different things, brainstorming, and they'll be making a tree map. Our school is big on maps, so they'll be making a tree map on that as well. Now, as the students make their tree maps, I'll be walking around the room and making sure that they are on the right path to make sure that they get those under solids, liquids, and gases correctly. There is a worksheet involved on our interactive bulletin board. Let me show that to you. It's down here on Please Take One. And that worksheet just tell whether each is a solid, liquid, or gas. Something very simple that I can make sure that they are understanding what solid, liquids, and gases are. Now, later in the week, we have our math learning station, and that is going to be our GeoTown, which is found right here. Now, GeoTown is where we learn the different shapes and geometric shapes, 3D dimensional shapes. That is covered under math, and they're going to be building a town using different shapes. And here's an example. They're going to use construction paper, and here's an example, a great example of a geotown. And in this example, the students used 2 cubes, 1 cone, 2 cylinders, 2 triangular prisms, 2 triangular pyramids, 2 rectangular prisms, and then they added some landscaping and so forth. So that is also in this project called GeoTowns, all the instructions for that. Also later in the week, they will be playing the Matter Match game, which is our science project, science folder game. And they will have cards of pictures of different items, and as well as solid, liquid, gas, mixture, and solution on cards. And they will shake it up in this brown bag, pull out 2, and try to match them. And they will find out who can match the most in the game, 2 or 3 people to a game. So there you have my math unit, or my thematic unit on what's the matter in teaching second graders all about matter. Now, also in this, we're going to be using the Math-Teak of 2.9. That will cover measurement, and then also English Language Arts TEAK 2.16a for reading and media, 2.28 for listening and speaking. And I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Sorry I'm a little out of breath. It's the end of the day on April Fool's Day, which has been a crazy day here at school.